nothing is untrue, nothing don't matter. It's all...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandy, and today we are doing an ultimate clean with me, but for the kids' room, so kids' room edition. And today is very special because I am doing a collaboration with my friend Jillian, so she's also going to be doing a kids' room cleanup, so you definitely have to go check her channel out. I'm going to leave a link for her video and her channel down below.
Hi everyone, my name is Jill. I'm a mom of a 10-month-old baby girl named Maddie and a fur baby named Molly, and my channel's name is Jillian Marie. I make lifestyle cleaning and motherhood videos, and I'm really excited to be doing this collab with Sandy. Sandy is just such a supporter of women, and so am I. And I really love building a community to support women, and I would really appreciate if you guys checked me out.
And if you guys are coming here from Jillian's channel, hi, welcome. I would love to have you guys subscribe and join my YouTube family. Don't forget to give us both a like on our video so that we know to keep making videos like this, and let's get on with the cleaning. My son's room is a huge mess. I haven't helped him clean it in about a month, so this is the outcome. So the first thing I'm doing is categorizing and putting blocks away in their home.
Your mind, it's a haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors and the reflecting memories. I need to figure out how things are twined. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away the heavy clouds up in our sky. I see.
I'm going to be keeping all of his cars and trucks in this blue bin since he has a lot of them and plays with them daily.
I gave you all the words to give me. The next move's on you, spitting out all excuses. Give me something that is real. They say it's better to have love than none, but all I feel is doubt. Will you turn this ship around before the night will close us down? I see you. Can you see me too? Tell me how it feels to know.
Then I'm just putting all the car and train tracks in one bag.
My veins, they are strained, 'cause my heart is blue for you. I would do anything just to have you once again. I've lost my weakness, only void inside my bones, paralyzed like a dog. Tears filling up within.
the rest of his toys I'm putting into the closet in a box since he uses them less.
Don't matter. It's all notions of our emotions.
This bookshelf is always getting torn apart. My kids love books and we have a ton of them, but they always end up all over the house.
We reach our destination. Shadows fading light. We're caught in burning fire, almost falling from the sky. And the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus. We fly, fly with courage and bravado, fly with passion in our hearts, and realizing the power of love will guide us safe to shore. Caught in burning fire. Calling you a friend, a lover, a fighter. May we never be like strangers. Never be afraid in fear of each other. May we keep on.
Then I like to keep some activity boards by the books while their imaginations are fueled or in case they want to play something out that they've read.
Fire, almost falling from the sky, and the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus. We fly, fly with courage and bravado, fly with passion in our hearts, and realizing the power of love will guide us safe to shore.
We still have the kids' changing table and use it as shelf space. Most of our furniture has been hand-me-downs, and living on one income, we make do with what we have until we can switch it out.
Like Icarus, we fly, caught in a burning fire, and the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus, we fly. Caught in burning fire, and the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus. We fly. We're caught in burning fire, almost falling from the sky, and the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus. We fly. Fly with courage and bravado, fly with passion in our hearts, and realizing the power of love will guide us safe to shore. Safe to shore.
Another thing my kids love are puzzles. They thoroughly enjoy figuring them out. They can do them for such a long time.
If you wanna have me there, I know I'm like a walk in space, no matter how you talk with me.
Alright, these little circle toys are for building because Yuri loves STEM projects. She got it for Christmas, which was nice, except for when your 3-year-old dumps them all over your floor, and there are like a million of them.
Hypnotized by these feelings, yeah, yeah. I wanna know, are you feeling close tonight? I wanna run, I wanna run, I wanna run now, out of this cage into your
Well, that didn't fit like I thought it would. Helper here, he loves vacuuming and helping me clean or just watching me. I think it's so adorable.
Sound made for breaking silence. Yeah, yeah. I wanna know, are you feeling close tonight? I wanna run out of this cage into your heart, made to get lost inside.
I'm not gonna lie, this took me all day to get clean, but it's finally done. And if you watched this all the way through, why don't you celebrate by clicking on that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to head over to Jill's channel too. Love you guys. Bye.